Good afternoon, sir, and hello everyone. I am Pooja Mishra, along with my group mates Deepa, Adarsh, Shivani, Shubham, Mohit, and Monica. We are here to present CMTP case of India's first life insurance. We are here to present CMTP case of India First Life Insurance Company Limited. In this presentation, we will be covering these key points. So the first point is organizational profile of India First Life Insurance Company Limited. Uh, Generally, it is a life insurance company incorporated in November 2009, whose headquarters is in Mumbai. It is promoted by two large public sector banks, that is Bank of Baroda and Andhra Bank, along with one MNC, that is Legal and Service. Bank of Baroda hold 44% stake, Andhra Bank hold 30%, and Legal and Service Bank company hold 26% stake. India First is servicing in over 1,000 cities and towns across the nation, adopted bank assurance model, uh, where insurance carrier and bank join forces to sell insurance products to customers. Company ranked 13 in fiscal year 2015 to 16. For further, I would like to call my groupmate Deepa.
Yeah, Deepa, continue करो. कहाँ गए?
Hello,
हाँ बेटे.
am I audible?
Yes, very much.
Okay. In Vision 2020, existence of variation are mainly driven by meritocracy and only developed by sustained innovation. Generally, progress is based on ability and talent. So, Ms. Vishakha Maheshwari, who is CEO of the company, shared company's new Vision 2020, which said that in 2020, IFLI would be the largest insurance provider in the country. And to be among India's top five insurance companies, IFLI introduced Vision with the theme securing life and creating value. Generally, employees are the core strength of the company. So, to achieve Vision 2020, um, uh, uh, they would be focused on employees who could develop sustained innovation, who define the new role of expectation for existing employee, complete competency diagnosis, and prepare a list of competencies required to perform the new expected role. Now, I would like to others for further information. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepa. And my topic is employ as differentiators. The only way to achieve Vision 2020 is when employees engage with their work as differentiators who support the emergency of new ideas, develop continuous innovation, provide high quality customer services, build trust with customers, simplify the consumer experience. They should be involved in selling, servicing the product. And its tools is driving innovation, offer high quality customer services, develop trust, simplify the experience, innovative in servicing and selling the product. That's all from my side. I would like to call Shivani Verma.
Hello, sir. Good morning. My topic is competency mapping. As per Vision 2020, Ms. Maheshwari and Mr. Menon decided to form a competency system team to define.
शिवानी बेटा अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए प्लीज. मैंने आपसे कहा है सारे बच्चे वीडियो ऑन करके देखेंगे बेटा. बस अब जो बोल रहे हैं वो उसका माइक अनम्यूट रहने दो, बाकी अपना माइक अनम्यूट करेंगे. शाबाश, कंटिन्यू करो बेटा, ऑन कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir. As per Vision 2020, Ms. Maheshwari and Mr. Menon decided to form CST Competency System Team to define new roles and expectations for employees at all levels of organizations. Soon, CST articulate IFLI's expectations for employees to develop a list of competencies that employee required to perform in their new jobs. In this mapping, employees' competency was the very first task for the team to do. Competency mapping is the process of identification of employees' skills required to perform successfully a given task or a particular set of tasks at a given time. CST make list of competencies for employees which include technical skills, communication skills, behavioral skills, conceptual skills, and other skills. Mr. Menon and Head of Talent Management, IFLI, Mr. Parker asked that whether they could link employees' career progression with the competencies or not. Parker also mentioned that if they would do so, it would help IFLI to achieve its Vision 2020. Uh, Need for competency mapping. Competency mapping is very much needed for training and development process for an organization, recruitment selections, career plannings, succession plannings, performance appraisal compensations, and replacement plannings. IFLI developed new policies for employees and career progressions, which would based on principle of pay for performance and promote for potentials. Uh, Thank you. This is for from my side, and I would like to call Shubham for further information.
Thank you, Shivani. Good evening, sir. My name is Bhamina. My topic is organization structure and behavior competencies. Before Praveen Menon joined the company 2015, company based on four vents. First is leadership, second one strategy, third one tactical, fourth one operational. After this went, Praveen Menon and MD Vesaka Maheshwari decide to launch for advent and eight went. This went is human capital. Second one is sales and marketing. Third one is operation and information technology. And fifth one is investment. Sixth one is actuarial. And seventh one is finance and governance and strategy and product. Please change the slide. After that, company work on the behavior and competencies. Competencies means the skill, identify the skill of employee leading tools of the competencies. Core competencies work on the basic skills of the employee and communication skills and teamwork. And function competencies. Function competencies to know about the employee specific skills, unique behavior in each role. How to we work in the each role and how to we adjust in each role. Leadership competencies. Leadership competencies means behavior like decision abilities. So know about how to be achieve the target with the leadership competencies. So that's my part. I would like to for next slide, Mohit Devdani.
Hello.
हाँ मोहित कंटिन्यू करो बेटा.
Am I audible?
हाँ बेटा very much.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes बेटा very much. Continue करिए शाबाश.
This is Mohit Devdani, and I would like to put some light on this topic. First topic is that adopted balanced scorecard BSc approach. In that IFLI in 2015 they used bell curve system and for its performance management, and then adopted BSc. BSc means that the IFLI employees will get 3 feedbacks in the year. Then employees category growth, egg development and quadrant. In growth quadrant and egg quadrant and development quadrant. First one is growth quadrant. In growth quadrant, employees perform their job as they instructed. And egg quadrant, in egg quadrant, the employees perform their job beyond what was expected. In development quadrant, the employees did not perform well. They come in the development quadrant. Address the need for any competency development. Again, Mr. Praveen Menon decided to link the PMS with the capability development and learning and development quadrant. The employees who are not performing well, the employees come in that category and they will improve themselves. And there was a strategy of the Menon, and develop 27 program, capability development program. Again, 27 programs have been governed by the Mr. Menon, the such as interpersonal skills, negotiation skills, business communication, advanced expert, business leadership, and second one is management and project management. And to continue that 27 programs, Menon shared with the Prakhar his thought that apart from the PMS and IFLI, employees should undergo one compulsory L&D program every year. Thank you. I would like to call further.
So the challenges that they are facing is Mr. Praveen Menon and Mr. Pakar Maheshwari both were concerned because they were not sure how to communicate about the competency framework with all employees. They were also concerned whether linking the framework with performance management system was the right direction or not. Through the case, we learn that there is a lot of uncertainty about the outcome. You need courage to begin something. Learn to motivate others to get a positive outcome. And leadership quality, the ability to build and maintain a strong team of individuals working towards the same goal. And the last, learning is a lifelong continuous process for individuals to gain knowledge. That's all from our side. Thank you so much.